Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be continuing my Python tutorial. In the last video, I ran through my first Python script and we rewrote our first Python script basically. And in this video, I'm going to be going through what comments and strings are. So if you haven't seen the last video, I recommend you go check it out. So let's get right into it. So what are comments? So say I've written this line of code and when I click run, it will obviously print my line of code. How are you? But I don't want anyone to see this. So before my print, I'm going to put a hashtag symbol right there. And now if I press run, you will see that it doesn't come up because this is now just a comment and will not be executed into the real code. Now, if I could put like something like 1, 2, 3. Now, when I write 3 and type anything inside it, like my name is Josh. So I can write multiple lines. My name is Josh. And I run a Python browser. So as you can see, it can run multiple lines. So if I just go click here, I would start writing something new. So this can go multiple lines. So that's basically what a comment is. So remember, when you execute a piece of code but you don't want it to be actually seen, you can put a comment, a hashtag before your line of code and it will not be executed into your interface. So what are strings? Now strings we've gone through in my past videos, but I haven't fully gone through what they are. We've used them, but I haven't gone through what they are. So a string could be like this: x equals to maybe Josh, and then I could be like print x, and if I'm correct, it should print Josh. And as we can see, it prints Josh. Now I can do maybe y and equals to Caleb. And if I were to click run, it would still come up with Josh, but I have to add y as well. And now when I run comments and strings, I'll get Josh and Caleb. Now if you wish to put this, if you wish not to put Josh and Caleb in the same line, you must write a new print function. So as I've mentioned before, a print function can't take more statements or write more lines. It can only use one whole thing in the same line. So print x here, and when I click run, it will come up with Caleb, then Josh, because I've done y, then x. So that's basically what strings are, and it's much easier way when you're using it for like you're using it more popularly. Say I'm doing like 3 plus 4, I could do something like just, instead of writing print 3 plus 4, print 3 plus 4, print 3 plus 4, all I have to do is say print x, and then I can go to the next line, print x, print x, print x, as many times as you wish, and the user interface will do it for you. So yeah, that's basically what comments and strings are. And also one more thing, strings are very it's very helpful when you're writing lengthy codes as well, to cut them down, because you do not want lengthy codes. You would rather have short codes. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you liked it, remember to hit that like button and subscribe. If you have any clarifications, that you would like to ask, remember to put it in the comments below. And to stay updated on my latest videos and get to watch them as soon as possible, remember to click that bell button. And I will get back to you if you have any clarifications, and just put them in the comments below. Till next time, this is me signing off.